If you don't like spending hours in the kitchen but still want a tasty homemade meal, then salmon with rice is your new best friend. We're keeping this simple, so let's get right into it. Start with a fresh salmon fillet about 6 ounces per person. Pat it dry, then rub it with a little olive oil, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Now let's talk rice. Jasmine or basmati are perfect, but use what you've got. Add 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water, pinch of salt, and bring to a boil. Then lower the heat, cover and let it simmer for about 12 minutes until fluffy. Back to the salmon, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the salmon skin side down and don't touch it for about 4 minutes. Let it get crispy. Flip and cook another 2 to 3 minutes just until it flakes easily. While that finishes, fluff your rice and throw in some chopped herbs, parsley, dill, or even green onions for extra flavor. Plate up a mound of rice, top it with your golden salmon, and squeeze a little more lemon on top. Optional, add a quick side like steamed broccoli or snap peas if you want to make it feel extra special. That's it. No fancy techniques, just delicious, healthy food in under 20 minutes. So next time you want something easy but impressive, you know what to cook. Hit like if you're hungry, and let me know your favorite salmon seasoning in the comments.